How to configure weekly titration on a remedē model 1001. How to configure weekly titration. The parameter can be accessed through the Weekly Titration tab on the programmer screen. This feature enables the device to incrementally increase the program current amplitude minimum and maximum values on a weekly basis, aiding patient acclimation to remedē therapy. Upon activation, users can specify the number of weekly increments up to a maximum of 8 weeks, along with the corresponding incremental increase in current value to be applied each week. These increments can range from 0 milliamps to 0.5 milliamps and apply to both the minimum and maximum current values, although the table only displays maximum values. Notably, the weekly titration feature ensures that stimulation does not exceed the program current amplitude maximum values. Instead, the program current amplitude minimum and maximum values are initially reduced based on the selected weekly increments and then gradually return to their program values according to the specified weekly schedule. For example, when establishing a weekly titration with a 0.2 milliamp increment increase for a patient whose supine amplitude ranges from a minimum of 3 milliamps to a maximum of 4 milliamps, achieving the maximum amplitude by the 4th week, you would indicate a 0.2 milliamp increase for up to 4 weeks in the corresponding column. The table will illustrate the patient's maximum amplitude reaching 4 milliamps by the 4th week, with the device increasing by 0.2 milliamp per week. Once the weekly titration is configured, press Program to set the parameter within the device. Confirmation can be found in the History tab. One thing to keep in mind, if weekly titration is left on following a programming session, the program titration schedule will start back at week 1, restarting the titration scheme. These are the steps for how to set up weekly titration on a remedē model 1001.